This is your chance to study in one of the most prestigious universities in the world, live in the beautiful country of France, and take a huge step toward achieving your academic and professional dreams. Don't let this incredible opportunity slip through your fingers. Start your application today, and who knows? You could be the next recipient of this prestigious scholarship. Imagine studying in one of the most beautiful and historically rich countries in the world, France. Picture yourself pursuing your dream degree at one of France's most prestigious universities while fully funded, with no financial worries. Sounds incredible, right? Well, today, I'll be talking about the Université Paris-Saclay Idex Scholarship 2025, a fully funded scholarship that opens the doors to one of the best universities in Europe for international students like you. Whether you dream of excelling in science, engineering, social sciences, or the arts, this scholarship program is designed to help talented and motivated students achieve their goals. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, including 1. What the Université Paris-Saclay Idex Scholarship offers. 2. Who is eligible to apply. 3. Step-by-step guidance on the application process. 4. Important deadlines. And 5. Why France is the ultimate destination for international students. So, stay tuned until the end for all the details, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Dreams Abroad Media for more fully funded scholarship opportunities. Hello, dreamers, and welcome back to Dreams Abroad Media. I am thrilled to bring you another life-changing opportunity that could transform your academic and professional future. Today, we're diving into a life-changing scholarship opportunity, the Université Paris-Saclay Idex Scholarship 2025 in France. Are you someone who has always dreamed of studying in one of the most beautiful, historically rich, and academically renowned countries in the world? Well, this fully funded scholarship could make that dream a reality. In this video, I'll take you through every detail about the Université Paris-Saclay Idex Scholarship, including 1. What the scholarship offers. 2. Who can apply. 3. Step-by-step guidance on how to apply. 4. Important deadlines. And 5. Tips to make your application stand out. And as a bonus, I'll also share why studying in France could be one of the best decisions you'll ever make. So, stay tuned until the end, and don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to Dreams Abroad Media for more scholarship updates and study abroad tips. Now, let's dive into this exciting opportunity. What is the Université Paris-Saclay Idex Scholarship? The Idex Scholarship is a prestigious, fully funded program offered by Université Paris-Saclay, one of the top universities in the world. This scholarship is designed for high-achieving international students who want to pursue a master's degree in any of the university's programs. It's open to students from around the globe, giving you the chance to experience world-class education in France. Here's what the scholarship covers. Tuition fees, fully covered for the entire duration of your program. Monthly stipend, 10,000 euros per year to cover your living expenses. Travel expenses, a travel allowance of up to 1,000 euros depending on your country of origin. Visa support, assistance with the French visa application process. This is more than just financial support. It's an opportunity to study at a globally recognized university, connect with a diverse international community, and enhance your career prospects. Why study at Université Paris-Saclay? Located just outside Paris, Université Paris-Saclay is ranked among the top universities in the world, particularly in science, technology, and innovation. Here's why it's a dream destination for students. Top rankings. It consistently ranks in the top 50 universities globally. Innovative programs. Known for cutting-edge research in fields like physics, mathematics, and computer science. Location. Close to Paris, offering access to the rich culture, art, and history of France. Career opportunities. France is home to leading companies and organizations, providing students with excellent career prospects after graduation. Eligibility criteria. The Université Paris-Saclay Idex Scholarship has specific eligibility requirements. Here's what you need to qualify. 1. Academic excellence. Applicants must have an outstanding academic record. Admission to a master's program at Université Paris-Saclay is mandatory. 2. Nationality. Open to all international students, especially those from countries outside France. 3. Program eligibility. The scholarship is available for all fields of study offered at the university. 4. Age limit. There is no strict age limit, but preference is given to students who recently completed their bachelor's degree. 5. Language proficiency. Depending on the program, you may need proof of English proficiency or French proficiency. How to apply? Step-by-step process. The application process for the Université Paris-Saclay Idex Scholarship is straightforward. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Apply for admission to Université Paris-Saclay. Start by choosing your preferred master's program from the university's official website. Submit your application for admission through the university portal. Step 2. Get nominated. Once you are admitted, you will automatically be considered for the Idex Scholarship. The university will contact shortlisted candidates. Step 3. Prepare your documents. Academic transcripts and degree certificates. Curriculum vitae, CV. Statement of purpose, SOP, explaining your academic and career goals. Recommendation letters, at least 2. Proof of language proficiency. Step 4. Submit additional documents. If shortlisted, you may be asked to provide additional documents or attend an online interview. Important deadlines. Here are the key dates to keep in mind. Application for admission opens in November 2024. Scholarship nomination deadline, typically by March 2025. Program start date, September 2025. Make sure to apply as early as possible to avoid missing any deadlines. 6. Benefits of studying in France. Cultural diversity. France is home to students from over 140 countries, making it an ideal place for cultural exchange. Affordable living. With the scholarship, your living costs are fully covered, allowing you to focus on your studies. Career opportunities. France is a hub for innovation and industry, offering countless job opportunities after graduation. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize this. Opportunities like the Université Paris-Saclay Idex Scholarship don't come every day. If you've been dreaming of studying abroad but have been held back by financial constraints, this is your moment to shine. Remember, this scholarship is not just about funding. It's about empowering you to achieve your dreams, gain a world-class education, and build a brighter future. If this video inspired you, please hit the like button, share this video with others who could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Dreams Abroad Media for more opportunities like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, the world is full of possibilities, and your dreams are worth chasing. Until next time, keep dreaming big and working hard.